The facilities here are absolutely amazing. We were blown away by how much there is to do, how well it's set up, how much of a nice environment and a nice vibe it is.
They just put me at ease, so it's the first time dealing with childcare, and they just made me feel so comfortable and that she'd be well taken care of.
We really try to bring the home life into our childcare centre. We want families and children to feel connected, to feel like they belong, and to feel like they're part of the family.
The centre is special because our child gets that attention that we were looking for. I thought it was the best for my child, and I think it gives a good opportunity for quality imaginative play. I was just blown away.
We have a date night, so once a month the parents can bring their children in on a Friday night for a couple of hours. Some of the local restaurants have given us discount vouchers so that parents can use them.
I have 3 children, so I'm very much looking forward to utilising date night. Just knowing that the kids are well looked after while we pop out for dinner is gold. We don't have family here, so it's definitely an important aspect.
There's a lot of thought that goes into every single day, and there's a lot of effort that is taken by the staff. I love getting the updates. When we sit down to have our dinner, we always look through, find the email and go through the pictures of Thomas, and we can show, the grandparents overseas even what he's been up to during the day.
This week they were learning about Aboriginal culture. They chose some Welcome to Country songs.
Every week we have a new child's culture that we focus on, and we'll cook traditional meals or sing some traditional songs, read some traditional stories. It teaches children to respect diversity.
Every day there's healthy, nutritious meals, and you see what the kids are eating, and half the time it's a lot better than what I'm eating.
We serve fresh food, fresh ingredients, colourful ingredients. We like to get the kids involved in what they're eating, take the ingredients that they like and what they don't like. We try to encourage them to try it.
Because I feel as though Emmy's development is where it's at because of the centre. Being around the other kids, the social aspect, all the different activities, she's willing to try different things. She's always looking at what she could potentially try and do, and I put that down to the educators.
Do you think they really genuinely live up to the expectations that they set? They genuinely care about him, so that makes me feel a lot more comfortable, as a first-time mum even, that my child is safe and happy where he is all day.